Hello all! Today we will make the Korean street food twisted donuts. It is a bit crunchy on the outside but very smooth and soft inside. So let's see how to make the melt in the mouth twisted donuts. The first step is to melt the butter. I have taken 2 tablespoons of butter. Heat it in a pan until it is melted. Do not burn it. Once the butter is melted, switch off the flame. Add 1 cup of lukewarm milk to it. I'm adding in 2 teaspoons of sugar, half a teaspoon of salt. Mix them well. Now add an egg into it. Mix it well until the sugar is dissolved. Before you add the yeast, ensure your milk mixture is lukewarm. If it's too hot, the yeast may die out. If it's cold, the yeast will not activate well. I'm adding in 5 grams of instant yeast here. If you're using active dried yeast, make sure to let it rest for 15 minutes before you add it to the flour. Also make sure the yeast you are using is fresh. If it is stale, it will not activate and your dough will not rise. I have taken 500 grams of plain flour here, about 3 cups. 3 cups of flour will yield about 18 twisted donuts. Add the wet ingredients to the flour now. Mix it well with the spoon first and then use your hands to bring them together. The flour will be a bit sticky, but do not add any flour into it now. Apply oil on the board to prevent the flour from sticking onto it. Now, knead them for a good 10 minutes until it is soft. When kneading the dough, fold it first towards you and then push it outwards with your palm like this. The dough has become nice and soft now. Apply oil on the sides of our bowl and place the soft dough in it. Cover it with the cling film and let it rest and rise. After 1 hour, my dough is doubled in size. Knead it for just 1 minute so that it is deflated. Now place it back in the bowl and let it rest for another 45 minutes. My dough has doubled again in size. Let's knead it for 1 more minute and make balls from it. I could make around 18 balls from it. Sprinkle some flour on the board and let's shape the twisted donuts. Take a ball, start rolling them at the center, moving outwards. Ensure to start it from the center, otherwise it will not be evenly rolled. Now, roll it such that one of your palm moves in one direction and the other palm moves in the opposite direction. Now bring both the ends together and give it a twisted shape. We will prepare all the balls in a similar manner. We'll place the shaped donuts on a parchment paper so that it will help us when we are frying. Now cover it with a cling film for another 10 minutes so that it can rise a bit more. Now let's get them fried. I have heated oil in a pan. When the oil is heated up, reduce the flame to low or medium. Now, cut the parchment paper along the side of your donuts and then just slide the donuts into the oil. If you take it with your hands, it might lose its shape. When one side is done, turn it to the other side and fry them. Take it out to a plate when both the sides are golden brown in color. Now usually it is coated with sugar and cinnamon powder. Since I don't like cinnamon powder, I'm avoiding it here. You can use it if you like it. I have taken 2 tablespoons of sugar here. If you are adding cinnamon powder, you can add it now. Mix them well. Add the fried donuts to the sugar and shake it till they are coated well. Our twisted donuts are ready here. You can see it is very soft inside and crunchy on the outside. This is a delicious snack and I'm sure the kids will enjoy them. Do give it a try and let me know your comments. So until we meet again, bye, take care.